So last week, I think on Thursday last week, right? Kita dah masuk topic derivatives, alright? The third chapter, which is derivative, okay? In fact, I already assigned you one online assignment or quizzes in this topic, okay? Ada A, ada B, right? So the topic that we are going to cover in these slides, alright, is the derivatives, the rule of differentiation, the chain rule, and also the implicit differentiation, okay? Okay, I will take this opportunity to recap again what we learned before in our last class. All right, as you can see, okay, the derivatives is actually comes from limit, comes from the topic that we have learned in topic 2. So the derivative of f is the function where f prime x or df over dx, this is the same, equals to limit h approaching 0 where fx plus h minus fx divided by h provided the limit exists. Okay. If f prime x exists, we say f is differentiable at x. If f is differentiable at every point of an interval I, we say that f is differentiable on I. There will be some point that x is not differentiable. Okay, kita tak boleh nak differentiate x. There will be at one point where when macam like I told you in last topic, when x has no slope. Okay, bila dia tak ada slope, kita tak boleh differentiate dia. Okay, sebab bila kita differentiate, dia akan equals to 0. Okay, alright. Okay, so dia mesti continuous in order for the function to kita boleh differentiate dia. In order for the function to be a differentiable function, so we need to have a continuous point. Okay, so this is an example 1. Find the derivative of the following function using the definition of the derivatives. Fx is equals to 2x squared minus 16x plus 35. Okay, in this case, using the derivatives definition, okay, guna macam ni. If you just use like, for example, dfx over dx, okay, you boleh jawab terus lah, 4x tolak 16 kan. This is easy, the thing that you studied before. But now, you must use it using the derivative definition. Okay, bila nak guna derivative definition, then you have to use this. Okay. Oh, kita nak habis masa dah. Okay, we'll use this ni, apa nama ni, formula. Okay, alright. Because I like to use Zoom, the thing is Zoom ni dia record lagi stabil, and I love to use the whiteboard. Tapi sebab UMT tak tak langgan Zoom, dia hanya langgan Webex. Webex dia berat dan tak stabil, internet you all pun nanti tak tahan. So dia hanya 40 minit sahaja. Okay, nanti dalam 1 minit, tinggal 1 minit nanti kita akan keluar dan use the same link to come back to my class. Okay, jangan lambat-lambat, right? Terus masuk aja. Okay, so this is another example. Find the derivatives of the following function using the definition of the derivative. Okay, if the question asks you to find derivatives using the definition of the derivatives, okay, so you must use ni lah yang tadi tu, ni formula ni. Okay, so you selesaikan, you dapatlah jawapan ini. Alright. Dan ini lagi satu contoh. Okay, RZ. Find the derivative of the function, 5z tolak 8. So you ambil formula ni dan you masukkan, dan you akan dapat jawapan ini. Right? Kalau dalam yang biasa tu, yang ni akan jadi 1/2 kan. So you selesaikanlah. Alright. When is a function not differentiable at a point? Okay, a function f is not differentiable at a if at least one of the following condition holds. Macam tadi saya cakap, f is not continuous at A. So dia tak boleh differentiate lah sebab dia tidak continuous. In order for you to differentiate the point or the function, dia kena continuous. It must be continuous function. F has a corner at A pun dia tak boleh nak differentiate. Okay. And also F has a yang tadi tu F has a corner at A, it means that dia tak ada slope. Okay, dia bertemu kat sini. So sebab itulah dia tidak boleh differentiate. Dan the last one, F has a vertical tangent at A. Right? Ni lagilah memanglah tak ada slope langsung kalau vertical tangent. So it is not differentiable. Right? So this is the rules of differentiation, constant rule. So if C is a real number, then okay lah, ni contohnya kalau kita nak function dia fx is equals to 5. So of course lah, differentiate dia kosong lah. Alright, itu je. Power rule, okay, yang kita buat biasalah, dia n minus 1. Okay, dia akan terbalik dengan integration kan, kita plus 1. Right? Extended power rule, okay. If n is any integer, x to the power of n, okay, sama juga, right? Constant multiple rule, right? If f is differentiable at x and c is a constant, then dcfx over dx is equals to cf prime x. Okay, c itu kita boleh keluarkan dulu the constant, dan nanti kita kali darab balik dengan kita punya differentiable. Right, so this is the online assignment 3. I saw in the Google Classroom many of you guys have submitted the assignment. Thank you very much. For those who didn't submit it yet, so please do so as soon as possible. Alright, so we are going to discuss on this quiz that I asked you on last Thursday. Okay, siapa-siapa yang dah buat tu, thank you very much. Okay, since we have another 6 minutes, I guess I can just share the solution for this one together. Okay. So apa soalan dia tadi? Find the equation of the tangent line. Okay, macam mana kita nak how are we going to find the tangent line? Mana saya punya ni tadi? Mana saya punya whiteboard tadi hilang? Okay, yeah. You can see at my ni kan. So y kita ada fx is equals to 4x minus 8x to the power of 2. Okay, boleh nampak kan semua kan? Can you see this? So now we know that the formula of this is y fa plus fa x minus a. Okay, so now kita tengok f prime x, so if f over dx is equals to 4 minus 4x to the power of squared. Okay, so now evaluate the function and the derivative at point x equals to 16. Okay, so now f16 masukkan inside here, we will get equals to 64. You buatlah nanti 8 kali 4, we will get 32. Right, and put it inside here, f16 is equals to 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. Okay, 16. Right, now the tangent line will be y equals to 32 plus 3x minus 16. Use this apa nama tu? Formula. you will get y is equals to 3x minus 16. So this is the tangent line for the function at x is equals to 16. Okay. Macam mana you nak dapat this formula? Ni ada dekat dalam chapter 2 limit and continuity before. Alright student? So siapa nak ambil gambar untuk faham later pun boleh. Screenshot ke apa ke yang patut, right? Siapa tak nak ambil pun tak apa, tak ada masalah bagi saya. Tapi nanti you nak cari macam mana cara nak buat dah tak jumpa dah. Alright.